Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Day 6, Chapter 2, Living Things in the Environment. Today I have a topic for discussion, food chains in the different habitats.
Let's discuss different habitats in the world. The different habitats such as desert, an underwater scene, a tundra scene. Tundra scene means a treeless level, and the region found in the Arctic. It's a base ground found in the cold region, and the forest. Some plants grow and live in each region. Savanna habitat and ocean habitat. What plants are in each habitat? Which animals eat plants? Which animals prey on other animals? We'll discuss on that. As there are many habitats on the earth, because there are many climates which result in different plants, like in the tropical rainforest, there's a hot, wet climate. In the desert area, dry climate, few desert plants grow, and different plants attract different animals. So there are different food chains according to the habitat. Different habitats contain different plants and animals which lead to the different food chains. Let's discuss food chains in savanna habitat. Savanna covers a large part of Africa and it is hot all year and rain comes mainly in summer. Grass and scattered trees grow there. Some animals eat the grass and trees and others are the predator. So this is a food chain related to the savanna habitat. So this is like tree and wild beast and giraffe are the prey of lion, cheetah and wild dog who all are predators of wild beast and giraffe. Some animals eat the grass and trees and others are their predators. Predators in savanna are lion, cheetah, leopard and hyena. What these animals prey upon or eat? We have seen in the food chain. They eat wild beast, giraffe, antelope and zebra. Antelopes are the deer-like animals with a smooth hair and have the upward pointing horns and they are found in Asia and Africa. So these are the group of animals with the 91 species and their common species of both are wild beast, impala. So there is a difference between antelope and gazelle. We have already discussed that gazelle is one type of animal with 13 species and it's smaller than an antelope and gazelle run faster than most of the antelopes. So all gazelle are antelope but not all the antelopes are gazelle. So these are the major differences between the two. So what about the birds? Eagles eat small animals and birds. Vultures feed off the dead animals. If this pattern changed because of all the predators died of a disease, what would happen to the number of zebras? There would be increase in the number of animals that feed on plants. There would be increase in the herbivorous animals such as antelope, wild beast, giraffe and zebra. And what do these animals eat? These animals eat grass and leaves because all the grass and trees eaten then all the animals would start to die of starvation because if all the animals eat the grass and one day will come that all the grass and trees eaten by these animals and they start die because of the starvation. There is a food chain in the ocean habitat. Ocean habitats are very important and almost 3/4 of the earth's surface is ocean. There are many types of seaweed, right? Most plants and animals are so small that we cannot see them. These are like so small that we cannot see them with the naked eye. We need a microscope to see these small little minute tiny animals. These are called plankton. Some sea animals only eat plankton. Like forage fish, they eat planktons and others are predators. Like we can say that So plankton have an important place in the food chain that supplies fish and other sea creatures, right? And people who eat them. It indirectly help the humans. They are the primary source of many animals, planktons, right? They are the tiny living things float in the ocean, and these are like algae, bacteria, and these are mostly you will found it on the surface area of a sea. And this is the forage fish. Forage fish is a small oily fish such as herrings, and we called it as a prey. Fish which are preyed by a large predators for food. And large predators like they are like other large fish, seabirds, marine mammals. So these are the ocean forage fish, and this is near the base of the food chain on the plankton, and this is the energy flow. So some sea animals only eat plankton like forage fish, and others are the predators like these seabirds, marine mammals, and the larger fish. Misunderstandings and misconceptions that there are more herbivorous animals that eat only plants than the carnivorous animals that eat only other animals. Who are herbivorous that eat only plants, and carnivorous who eat other animals. There are more herbivorous because people keep on breed herbivorous such as cows, sheep, and goats. In habitats such as savanna, many herbivores are wild animals because we see the predator and prey relationship. Students think the pattern of food chains in different habitats remain the same. No, because the changes happen all the time due to the natural disasters like fires or human intervention such as deforestation. If the human cut down the trees, and if there would be no fire in the forest, so the food chain it doesn't remain the same. And because of the lack of because of the cutting down, or there would be no trees, there would be no food for the herbivorous animals to eat. They would start die, and because of that the carnivorous animals also they don't get the food. They don't get they cannot then the predators cannot prey upon the other animals because they eventually get die because of the starvation. So we can say that the food chain in different habitats they cannot remain the same. So let's discuss the questions. Compare the producers in the savanna and the ocean habitats. In the savanna habitat, the producers are the grasses and trees. And these are at the base level because it starts from the grasses and trees. That is the primary source of energy in the food chain. And in the ocean habitat, the producer is plankton. They are like the seaweeds, and it is a basic energy flow starts from plankton, then it is goes to forage fish, and then the other predators. In the savanna habitat, name three animals that eat plants, and which plants do they eat. Antelope, and it has different species like springbok, kudu, eland, and gemsbok. They are the different species of antelope, and they eat grass and leaves. Giraffe eat leaves. Wild beast and zebra eat grass. Draw two food chains containing predator and prey relationships, like grass eaten by zebra, then zebra eaten by lion, leaf eaten by antelope, antelope eaten by lion, grass seeds eaten by mouse, and mouse eaten by eagle. So these three are showing the predator and prey relationship. In the ocean habitat, draw two food chains containing one predator and its prey, like example octopus eaten by shark, large fish eaten by seagull, seagull is a bird. Draw two food chains containing two predators and their prey. Example pilchard. Pilchard is a small valuable marine fish, or you can say as a forage fish in the herring family, and these are eaten by shark, large fish, seagull, or a person. It's an oily fish, right? And small fish is eaten by large fish or by a person. Thanks. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye.